Well, hello everyone. I'm just out for a wee bimble. I'm going to go this way. Towards Faircross. There's Faircross Reservoir, if that's how you say it correctly. We'll go this way. Nice little ride. My wife and kids, I dropped them at Manchester Airport this morning. They're off to the Czech Republic to see family. Boys will be staying there a couple of weeks before we go out there myself with my wife. She comes back this Wednesday, so I've only got today, and I'm working tomorrow, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, can I go this way? There's no signs. There's no signs. Let's go this way. First bit of off-roading on the Scrambler. There's no sign saying I can't. If someone tells me not to, I shall gladly oblige and turn around. Oh, I should put it on off-road mode. Remember. Oh, menu. That's it. What's that? Off-road. Off-road. There we go. Probably should set my suspension a bit less firm, but I don't think it's very far off-road. We'll have a go. Just a bit gentle off-roading. I don't want to go too fast. Sheep! Ah, there's people up there. There is people up there, so if they tell me off, I'll look for some signs. I couldn't see it on the map. Right, we'll go and see what they say, because they might be like, fuck off. Ooh. Awesome. Don't give it too much. It's got a lot of power, this, for off-roading. Very rocky. Nice. I think this one. Woo. I better get a picture, eh? Should I get a picture? I'll get a picture up here. Beautiful. We'll get a picture up here. That's cool. What a view. Cool, man. Look at my Triumph, it looks bloody marvellous. Absolutely stunning. Hey mate, am I allowed up here? Because I couldn't see any signs, so I thought... Pardon? No, I haven't seen any signs, and I looked.
It's an archaeological site.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. We're doing testing because we're putting a new road in.
Oh, right.
We're doing testing for archaeological.
Oh.
I don't know who owns the land.
Right.
It might be MOD.
Ah, right. Right, if it was, then no. But I thought, well, there's no signs, and I thought, it looks like it's just a road up, you know, so I thought maybe I'll be alright. Alright, cheers, mate.
Nice.
Oh, lovely, lovely. I thought I'll take it off road, but I thought this doesn't look too bad, because last thing I want is to drop this bike. Alright, cheers, right, see ya. Nice guy. I think we'll go this side. Yeah. I still see no signs, so I think it was alright. Nicely done. Which way is that gate up? Forward. Public Bridal Way, so it says. So I'll look that up when I get back. I'll probably get told off for it. Which way to go? I think we'll go this way. Now can I click that off on the... Well, I hope you liked that section of off-roading. It was a public bridal way. Now I need to look up what that means, because there was one signpost on a wooden sign saying public bridal way. So I do not know. I have to admit, I don't know if that's for, well, it says public, so I'm public, but is it public walking or public transport as well? Probably walking, but if so, I won't do it again. Okay? I'll go somewhere else. But still, not likely to do it on my Triumph, because I don't want to damage it, don't want to drop it, and it cost me too much money, but I still wanted to try it, so... There we go. Changed it. That's easy to change. You just need to close the throttle. Back to sports mode. Nice. Definitely feel like I should get a cheap off-roader, and then it doesn't matter. Nice light bike for off-roading. Whitmore Farm. Woohoo! I do like these roads. This is what the Scrambler is for though. My type of riding this. Unless I meet a tractor. Jesus, should put my jeans on and sliding backwards. Greenhouse. He's done his bit and he's off back. It looks like he's cycled pretty far anyway, to be honest. Steamy. Steamy. What did you say? Oh, the light had gone that way. Why didn't I go that way? Fuck! Gravel! There's the big bike over there. That gravel got me. I wasn't looking at that at all. I was too busy reading the sign. The bridge is that way. Let's go that way then. Ooh, tractor! Brimham Rocks. We'll have to go there one day. That's why I didn't overtake him. Very wise biker. I don't want to be up his ass. Not figuratively speaking, figuratively. Yeah, that's the one. Figuratively. Why are they in the middle of the road? I can do them here though. Steady. That's a brake for that one. Loft house. Oh, it didn't take long to get here. 30. We'll go up 30. And go up to Masham. What does it say? Unsuitable for goods vehicles and buses. That'll do me nicely. What a lovely place to live. That's lovely. That way. Still don't want to meet anybody around the corner, especially a tractor. Something's loose. I'll check everything when I'm back at home. What a beautiful view. We're going the wrong way to get it though. Still nice this way. Cattle grid. Get all that heather and bloom. Beautiful. This might be cue the music. Enjoy the view. Keighley. We're in Keighley. Make sure we're going to speed limit. The Mistle. Yeah, I don't like going fast through villages or anything like that. I always stick to the speed limit or lower. I don't like, I wouldn't want them thinking bikers are assholes and just speed everywhere. Historic market. Well, let's go this way. I just noticed the sign, so we can go through Masham instead. There's plenty of room. Marketplace. Ah, so this is Masham. Nice little place. Just like the advert, sexy guy and me, sexy guy. Bloody traffic lights are right on the hill bit. Where the traffic? Oh, they're there. Fuck me. Oh. Oh. Spoiling my fun. And to my mate German jobbies, I'm not a menace to society. I'm just a menace to myself! Bloody hell, they're all going this way. Right, I'm all filled up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Bye bye.